Okay, I'm going to show you how to make two types of custom paper roller holders. On the first one, all you need is a bolt, two nuts, a $3 clamp, and a 5/16 drill bit. On the second one, you won't need any tools except for maybe a pair of needle nose pliers. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to drill a hole right here. Okay, I got my hole drilled right here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my bolt and one of my nuts here and I'm going to thread it on here. Now I'm going to take my other nut and just drop it down on the other side of that hole. Just like so. I'm going to take this bolt, I'm going to line this nut up. I'm going to get it started in there. Try not to cross thread it. Take it in as far as you can get it. It'll hit the other side of the molded plastic that's on the inside of this. Now take this nut, fasten it down. You might want to get a pair of pliers or a wrench and just snug it down real good. I mean, hand tight works pretty well. Do the other clamp the same way. As you can see, it's in there pretty good. Okay, I'm going to take my first clamp, clamp it to the table over here. And these are good, stout clamps. I'm going to take the roll that's already open, as you can see how thick it is. Stick it right in there. Most paper isn't that thick. Take the other clamp, put it in there. Leave a little bit of space on each end so that the paper can roll out freely, like so. And yeah, not bad. Take one side off, put it out of the way, get this roll off there. Now this is a brand new roll, as you can see how thick it is. Lay it through there. But take the other clamp, put it in there. Leave a little bit of space. That way there's no friction on the roll. And there you go. Did one roll just like that one there did. I mean, it's right there. Now let's go to the next clamp and put it together, and I'll show you how it works. All you have to do is buy two clamps. These were $5 each. A couple of nuts and a bolt, which cost probably $1.25 or less. So the first thing you're going to do is take your clamp and figure out which is more comfortable, pulling up and releasing it or pushing down and releasing it. I'm going to make mine to where I'm pulling up on it when it's clamped to the table. So what I'm going to do is take this bolt and put it through this large hole right here. And by the way, this is a 5/16 18 bolt. And these are 5/16 18 nuts that go on here. Take this all the way down. And you'll notice it's in there pretty good to where it won't turn either way. I'm going to put it on this side. You have a little bit more room. So get it down in there as far as you can get it. Okay, now that it's down in there, take a pair of needle nose pliers and tighten it up. Okay, now it's nice and stiff. Take your nut with the fiber on it, run it down finger tight, and there you have it. Now I'll show you how it works. Okay, I got some wrapping paper here, and I got my clamp. I've also got the other clamp to the other side of the table right here. Clamp it down really tight. Take your paper and just slide it over top of that bolt coming out. Take the other clamp, open it up, put it in there, leave about 1/4 inch, and then clamp it down as tight as you can get it. There, it ain't gonna move. Take your paper, roll it out, cut what you need. Now you got yourself a set of custom made wrapping paper holders to use for any project. Take your top nut off. Shut them together. Now, if you put them together like so, now you can store these or you can use them later on for other things. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. Thanks for watching. Yeah, see how thick the paper is? It's almost
Like,
as thick
comment,
as
subscribe, share with friends. This has been Monty Johnson 1. Yeah, that's right.